go there. And then just north of Chiang Mai, going to the Waikiki Waterfall. Took me about a 15 minutes bike ride, or it would have taken me 15 minutes if I hadn't been pulled over at a police checkpoint. Yes, a police checkpoint. So if you're a foreigner here in Thailand and you're renting a motorcycle or a car or something, make sure you have your international driver's license. And if you have an international driver's license, bring it with you, or else you'll have to get a fine. I forgot mine in my hotel like an idiot. I've been carrying it with me every day that I rent a bike, but today I spaced out and left it in my bag, so I have to pay I don't know if it's written on here, but it's 500 baht fine for not having my driver's license with me. That's like a $15 fine ish, $14. It's not the worst fine in the world, but you know, it's still not good. They have to pay a fine, and I have to go out of my way to go to the police department to pay the dang fine. So that's going to take me a while, and I bet there's going to be 1,000 foreigners in line also paying the fine. So it's going to be a ways, or a while standing in line on top of having to go there. I'm going to bring my license with me when I go there, and maybe I can not maybe I can not pay the fine. Get this guy. Wow. Who knows though? I probably won't get out of it. Either way. Here we are. It's like there's some pools. Cool. Not bad. No, I also didn't bring my shorts. I came all the way out here with no shorts. These pants are fairly quick to dry though. I guess I'll take a dip in these maybe. Oh wait, it certainly looks cool. Wow. They got some cafes here too if you just want to hang out over the river. Ooh, and here's the waterfall up here. Got it? Okay. Over there. Wow. Even though I've already spent about a full week in Chiang Mai out of my 30 days, there's still lots to do around here. There's lots to see in this city. This is the slippery route. That's the non-slippery route. Huh? Well, I don't know if I want to take the slippery route. Maybe I should go around. Cool. I wonder how clean this water is. Doesn't cost any money to come in here either. It's cool. Ooh. Hello. Let's go dip my feet in. It's pretty hot today. There's a good place to sit. Here, let's see. Ooh, that's ice cold. Dang. Slide all the way in. Ah. Dope. Alright. That's a cool little spot. I'm going to chill here for a minute and then I'll probably go somewhere else. Hello from just outside the Tiger Kingdom here north of Chiang Mai. What you don't know is that not long ago, Joe Exotic escaped from prison and came to Thailand and set up a tiger zoo. I think it's 250 baht to get in. It takes about a half hour to an hour, depending on how many photos you're gonna take to see them. You can pay extra to go in with the tigers and the lions. I won't be doing that today because I prefer to keep my skin on my face and my arms firmly attached to my body. But if somebody else gets eaten by a tiger while we're here, that'll be 20 million views for my channel. I don't hope that happens, but if it does, I'll be here. Took me about 25 minutes to ride from the waterfall I was at. The waterfall was 10 minutes outside Chiang Mai. So let's go buy our ticket and go check out some big cats. Yeah, you guys know how I don't like the zoo. Let's hope that this is more than just a zoo. Let's hope that these animals are well taken care of and good enclosures where they have room to move, because you know how it is. Pro tip: buy water before you come here or you're gonna pay triple. I just paid 15 baht for a little bottle. I buy ticket here or ticket where? Inside here. Okay, thank you. Okay, buy ticket in here. I buy ticket here? Maybe inside this one. Past the big plushies here. Hello. Ticket here?
Oh, ticket here.
Ticket here, okay. Ticket here, okay. Can I just have general admission? I don't want to go in. No photo like this, just...
Or you want to feeding and showering from outside?
Wasn't there. Hold on.
Or you want for room soon? Where are you from?
Okay, yeah, it's $2.50.
Where are you from?
California. Just in case you need to send my body back home, you get my home. Okay, $2.50.
You can pay money cashier number 2. Over there.
Okay, so you guys make it real difficult to buy a ticket here, huh? Okay. I go here to cashier. Yes, come this way. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Alrighty. Follow the paw prints to get to the clue. That's a Blue's Clues reference. Hello. Ticket. Regular ticket. Thank you. I think the most expensive ticket is like $1,800, and they probably let you bring a tiger home for that price. I don't know if the airlines are gonna let you get it back to the States though. Holy shit. Yeah. Wow. That is a giant animal. Wow. Cages are pretty small here, guys. Got lots of tigers here. It's like they have 29 tigers. You can feed. Is this a liger? That might be a liger. Let's see. Oh no, it's just a tiger. Thought it might be a liger. They don't have a liger.
Yep. Yeah.
Okay, let's go see some other ones. Wow. Freaking huge. Okay. This one's got really cool colors. See, look at it. It's very sad. They're stuck inside this tiny little box, walking around. This is why I don't come to the zoo, guys. As I've been to the zoo 3 times on my channel. There's another zoo in Chiang Mai with other animals, and I'm just like, every time it's fucking sad. It's a pure white tiger. Almost no stripes. Wow. Yeah, I'm not gonna spend long here. This is not good. No, it's cool to see tigers, but not like this. Alright, let's go this way. So they have, I don't know how many they have from around the world. Damn. There's the pacing behavior. That is extremely common among caged animals. They have nowhere to go, so they develop an OCD pace, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, all day, every day, in that same spot. Often, if you can see like a small outdoor cage where the floor is like dirt, you can see a path that they just wear. And the last time you saw a tiger on my channel was in Darjeeling, and just on the left side of the tiger's enclosure, see, it went back and forth all day. Other than eating and sleeping, the tiger walked from one corner to the next, and it was very, very sad to watch. And it's sad to watch this as well. See, the tigers are bred and hand reared here. See, they're not breeding these tigers to repopulate the decimation of the population in the wild. They're breeding them to bring tourists here to have photos. See, tiger conservation, but like, where's the information about reintegration into the wild? See, white tiger, only in captivity, only in captivity, only in captivity. Look how much space they have left. Just the far east of Russia and China. Bengal tigers have a little bit more remaining space. India, Bangladesh, the Sundarbans, Kolkata is like right here. Sundarbans, Bhutan, China, Arunachal, Myanmar, Thailand. But I don't know if this is, yeah, I don't know if this means that they have the tigers here or if they're just guessing that there's tigers here.
อ๋อเนี่ยนะอ๋อ
นี่ก็เอาไว้ให้ชมเฉย
พอดูหน้าเขาก็สุดยอดแล้วนะ
Wow.
ๆเนี่ยตัวนั้นนะครับตัวใหญ่นะวิเก็ตคนละเนี่ยวิเก็ตคนใช้ที่หรือว่าจะไปดูตรงนี้ก็ได้นะ
So the golden tabby, that's interesting. It's a cross between the Bengal and Siberian tiger. Makes sense. I don't think they have lions here. I saw pictures of lions online, so they might have them this way. I'll check over here. No matter how much you wiggle and dance, the last two drops always go in your pants. God damn. All right. Let's see what else we got. Is this it? There might be some more over here. Let's get a little bit closer look here. Oh, also they'll pee on you if you're not careful. Wow. Alright, let's get away from the cage here. Lean, underweight, ideal, overweight, obese. I think we've had a combination of this here.
giant tiger, you catching that 5 kilo. 1 kilo.
Let's see, is this it? Oh, is this guy taking a poop? Let's see. Come on, drop a deuce, dog. Ah, there we go. That's right on brand. Wow, those are much smaller turds than I would expect from an animal of that size. Oh, here's a big one. There we go. Alright. We've accomplished our goals. We've now seen a tiger take a dump. We've got pretty good sized balls. Are we going to see some Scandinavian tourists mauled? There we go, this is it. All right. All right. It's time for me to make like a bird and get the flock out of here. You know, it's cool to see a tiger, but again, I hate to see them like this. Soon humans will continue our eradication of large predatory animals and relegate their genetics to the dustbin of history to go extinct with the other 99.99% of animals that have ever lived on this earth. And to go out like that has got to be the one of the saddest ways the species has been decimated from this planet. Trapped in a box to be filmed and photographed by assholes just like me.